Welcome to the English Tales channel. Have you ever watched an English video and thought, I understand everything, but will I ever speak English with confidence and naturally? Do you feel that being an introvert and experiencing anxiety every time you try to converse in English will hinder your journey to fluency? I felt exactly the same way. But guess what? I solved this problem and I'm here to help you do the same. If you're anything like me, this video can truly assist you. Just 2 years ago, I was sitting in my room, convinced I would never speak English fluently. Now, I converse with anyone anywhere without fear, even though I'm still an introvert. I even talk to a camera now. I understand your struggles because I went through the same ordeal. You're afraid to speak in English because it's new to you. You're terrified of stuttering, saying something wrong, and being laughed at or judged because you're not a native speaker. Here's why you can trust me. I'm probably the person who can resonate with you the most. I'm an introvert who has never left my country and has spoken to native speakers only twice in person in my entire life. I did it all by myself. No one has ever helped me, and still I am able to speak English like this. I will cover everything you need to know to improve your speaking skills and actually speak fluently. I sincerely hope this helps you feel more comfortable and confident when speaking English, because I know you're tired of understanding everything but never being able to speak well. I know how hard it is to consume English content and never express yourself freely. I know you want to speak and speak well, naturally and confidently. So first, let's discuss shadowing, silent shadowing. This is an incredible technique where you listen to native speakers in silence and mimic their speech. Imagine watching your favorite English-speaking YouTuber or a movie in silence, and you're repeating everything they say. You don't have to worry about making mistakes or being judged because no one can hear you. It's like practicing in stealth mode, making it perfect for introverts. If you feel you're not ready to speak yet, over time your brain gets accustomed to the rhythm and patterns of English. You can also try this with different accents and speeds to challenge yourself and expand your listening skills. Never stay in your comfort zone too long. Always challenge yourself and never let fear win. It's much better to do silent shadowing than to sit and watch passively. Many people say they don't have anyone to talk to in English, so they can't practice. While speaking with others is the best way, you can absolutely improve your speaking skills on your own. Like I said, I only spoke with 2 native speakers in my life, so this method can be highly effective if done correctly. It's called recording yourself. This might sound daunting at first, but trust me, it's a game changer. Record yourself speaking about anything you like, your day, your hobbies, or even a random topic. The beauty of this method is that it's completely private. You can listen to your recordings, notice areas for improvement, and focus on progress without being too critical. You'll be amazed at how much more confident you feel hearing your own voice in English over time. I know it might be cringeworthy at first because most people don't like hearing themselves talk, but trust me, you'll get used to it just like I did. Another effective method is called inner monologue practice. This is one of my favorites. Basically, you turn your thoughts into English. Plan your day in English, reflect on something that happened in English. This helps you think in English without translating from your native language. It might feel strange at first, but it really speeds up your thinking process and makes speaking more natural. It's like having a little English coach in your head all the time. For some, even when you force yourself to think in English, your brain automatically translates to your native language. That's normal. Just make sure to always push your brain to think in English, even if it's hard at first. It will get easier later. Self-talk sessions are similar to inner monologues but spoken out loud. When you're alone, think of it as having a conversation with yourself. Ask yourself questions and answer them. Describe what you're doing or talk about your plans. This practice can be incredibly liberating because there's no one to judge you. It helps you get used to hearing your own voice in English and builds your speaking confidence step by step. Plus, it's a great way to reinforce vocabulary and grammar structures. To practice and force your brain to think quickly in English, ask yourself questions and set a timer for 30 seconds or a minute to answer. This is a powerful method because it trains your brain to think fast. In real conversations, you won't have 5 minutes to answer a question. This can be very powerful. One crucial aspect that many people overlook is relaxation. To speak confidently, you must be relaxed. Meditation and relaxation techniques are essential for managing anxiety and boosting your confidence. Speaking a new language can be stressful, so it's important to learn how to calm your mind. Deep breathing, meditation, and mindfulness exercises can help you stay relaxed before you start speaking English, even with yourself. Take a few moments to breathe deeply and clear your mind. This not only reduces anxiety but also helps you focus. A calm mind makes it easier to learn and perform well under pressure. Even when practicing alone, you can feel a bit anxious. When talking to someone, always try to be as relaxed as possible. Most of the anxiety is in your head. You might be able to speak a few things, but you're so afraid of being judged that you end up doing nothing, staying in the same place and never improving. Meditation will put you in a good state of mind, essential for performing at your best. Now, let's talk about something really fascinating and powerful: developing a new personality. This is one of the best things you can do if you are an introvert. When learning a new language, you have a unique opportunity to craft a new version of yourself. Think about it like this: in your native language, you have certain habits, fears, and limitations developed over the years. But in a new language, you can start fresh. Developing a new personality means adopting traits and characteristics that help you become more confident and expressive in English. Maybe in your native language, you're more reserved and don't speak up much. But in English, you can decide to be more outgoing and bold. Create an English-speaking version of yourself that is fearless and eager to communicate. Start by giving this new personality a backstory: how they would speak, what expressions they would use, and how they would react in different situations. Practice being this persona during your English sessions. You might find it easier to speak in English when playing this role because it separates you from your usual anxieties. Another amazing tip is to use body language and gestures more freely when you speak in English, like I'm doing right now. Expressing yourself physically can boost your confidence and help your words flow better. Stand tall, put your shoulders back, use hand gestures, and maintain eye contact as much as possible. These physical actions can reinforce the traits of your new English-speaking personality. This technique is particularly helpful for introverts because it allows them to step out of their comfort zone in a structured way. You're not just trying to speak in English. You're stepping into the shoes of someone who's already good at it. Over time, this new personality will become a natural part of you, making it easier to speak English with confidence and ease. Remember, the goal is not to change who you are fundamentally, but to enhance your communication ability in English by leveraging the flexibility that comes with learning a new language. Challenge yourself to transform and become a bit more fearless. Many people want to develop a new personality, to leave behind an old version of themselves. This is an incredible opportunity to do something new and bold. Learning a new language gives you the chance to start fresh and become a better version of yourself by embodying a new personality. This one might be the most important: create a visual English environment. Surrounding yourself with English as much as possible makes a huge difference. Change the language settings on your phone and computer to English. If you haven't done that already, do it right now. Only follow and watch people who speak English. The more you immerse yourself, the more natural it will feel to use English in your daily life. This constant exposure helps you think and react in English more quickly and effortlessly. If you want my help to structure your routine and get to fluency faster, changing your life, subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you so much for watching.